I want to inspire and educate my audience so they really understand what influence is all about. Why do we follow certain people and not others? What is that magic ingredient that makes us press follow or subscribe? So my talk Follow Unfollow shares some amazing insights on why people are truly influential. And now in a society where more of us are online more than ever, how do we make our brand stand out? How do we build a community of like-minded people? How do we cut through the noise? How do we become the person that everyone wants to talk to? As a panel host, keynote speaker, and authority on influencer marketing, I leave audiences inspired, entertained, and wanting to know more about how they too can leverage their influence. Book me, Glenister, for your next event.